Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to identify wires on a utility pole. Whether you're a curious homeowner, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants to understand the world around you, this guide will help you spot and understand those mysterious lines overhead. Let's get started. First things first, utility poles are like the unsung heroes of our modern world, carrying everything from electricity to internet signals. Typically, you'll see a variety of wires up there, including power lines, telephone cables, cable TV wires, and even fiber optics. The key to identifying them lies in their position and appearance. Power lines are usually at the very top because they carry high voltage and need to be kept away from everything else for safety reasons. Now, let's talk about visual cues. Power lines often have larger, more robust insulators. Those are the ceramic or plastic pieces holding the wires in place, and they might look bare or have a metallic sheen. Telephone and cable wires are generally lower on the pole and are often bundled together in smaller groups. Look for color codes too. For example, ground wires might be green or bare, while neutral wires could be white or gray. Some poles even have labels or tags that spell out what each wire is for, so keep an eye out for those. But here's the most important part. Safety first. Never, ever attempt to touch or get too close to a utility pole. These wires can carry thousands of volts, and accidents can be deadly. If you're not a trained professional, just observe from a safe distance and admire the engineering. If you suspect any issues, like a downed wire, call your local utility company immediately. There you have it, a straightforward way to identify wires on a utility pole. This knowledge can come in handy during storms or when you're out exploring. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.